Today, we're building a motion alarm using an Arduino. This project is great for learning sensors, and you can use it to protect your room or your DIY projects. We've got a PIR motion sensor wired to digital pin 2 and a buzzer or LED connected to a 220 ohm resistor on pin 8. When motion is detected, the alarm goes off. Here's the code. First, we set up the sensor pin as an input and the buzzer or LED as an output. Then, in the loop, if the sensor goes high, then we turn on the alarm. Now let's test. When I wave my hand, the alarm goes off. After a short delay, it resets, ready for the next detection. This is a simple but powerful project. You could use it for a motion-triggered nightlight, a pet detector, or a DIY security alarm. With just a few extra parts, you can expand it into a full system.